Drop it.
Subscribe H4 Home Remedies YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest video notification. Sagging breasts make you feel embarrassed and without self-confidence. You've probably heard many times that it is not possible to perk up your breasts with some simple exercises or home remedies. But the truth is that it is very possible. There is one effective exercise that can make a huge difference in the appearance of your breasts. And there is also one home remedy that can tighten the skin on your breasts, making them firm, plump, and of course, much perkier. So, here are these 2 tips that can help you get beautiful perky breasts. Tip 1. The exercise. Lay on the floor on your back. Take a 5-pound weight in each hand. Slowly raise your arms above your chest, hold a little bit and then lower them out as far as you can, just like you're an airplane. Raise them up again, and slowly lower them out. Repeat. You should do 3 series of 10 of these every second day. This strengthens the muscles under your breasts, in your underarm area and in your upper chest. In about 30 days, you'll start to notice the difference. Tip 2. The home remedy. For this procedure you'll need extra virgin olive oil. Lay in your bed and put some pillows under your back to slightly prop up your upper body. Take a small amount of olive oil in your hand and rub your hands one of another. Place each hand on each of your breasts and start making small circles around them, massaging them gently. Make the circles around your breasts, and that's it. It will be perfect if you can do this every day, or at least 2 to 3 times a week. This treatment will help firm and tighten the skin around your breasts and make your breasts perkier. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comments and subscribe our channel.